Good morning, everybody. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to this fine Tuesday morning. And we are here with some cruise news for you today. First up, we have the Norwegian Escape. So back in March, the Norwegian Escape ran aground in the Dominican Republic, causing some damage to the hull of the ship. Of course, all the passengers had to get off of the ship, were flown home. That was a whole separate fiasco. And then after that, 5 cruises were canceled due to this damage. Well, the Norwegian Escape, all fixed up, all repaired, has returned back to service. Yesterday, Holland America celebrated their 149th birthday. And for those that are out sailing on a Holland America ship for, of course, the cruise line's birthday, they're going to be offered special desserts, champagne toast, and festivities for both passengers and crew. So happy birthday, Holland America. Now, if you have ever wanted to own a piece of a cruise ship or an item that was on board a cruise ship, well, you may have a chance coming up here in May. Items from Crystal Cruises ships, well, they are going to officially be put up for auction, including casino machines, pallets of playing cards, and artwork, tables, chairs, computer monitors, accessories, promotional gift items, and other assorted items, all from their ships, are, like I said, is going to be up for auction this May down in Florida. So like I said, if you've ever wanted to own something from a cruise ship or a piece of a cruise ship, this will, of course, will be your opportunity to do so. No date has been set yet when the physical ships themselves will go to auction. And great news down in Australia, a news that the folks down in Australia, I know y'all been waiting to hear. Well, officially, the very first cruise ship after 25 long months has arrived back in Sydney, Australia. So P&O Australia's Pacific Explorer arrived back in Sydney Harbor yesterday and will have her first revenue-generating cruise coming up on May 31st. And one small step is all they needed down in Australia just to get it back going, get it kicked off, get some more cruise ships back down there, and get those folks down in Australia back on board enjoying cruising vacations. And that's going to be your cruise news for today, April the 19th of 2022. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's cruise news stories. If you have, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and like always, we will see you out on the high seas.